Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to burn a CD to play videos. Almost like a DVD, but without the menu. So, assuming you don't care about that, go to Start, then go to Owner, and you'll open up your files, and then, go to wherever your videos are, and you can press the folder, if you have it in a folder, and then you can select them, like this. Say you're going to burn all these right here. And then right click and then go to properties. You can see how much it is, how much will fit in your CD. Usually CDs are like 700 megabytes, so this is going to fit on there, but I would like to fit a little more. So you can actually just go in here, select one if you wanted to, and then you can see right here, it's going to go on there, and then you can scroll all the way down to computer. And if you haven't already inserted a CD, you can just press on the drive or press the button on the side on your disk drive to open it up. And you can insert a blank CD, and it will read it, and it will tell you how much space is on it. Okay, and then what you're going to do, go to, I'll just open up one of these in the back. Okay, and then what you want to do, you're going to go to Windows Media Player. If it's not here, you can search it up. Okay, and then you go to burn, and see it says burn list. You can select something if you can, but if there's nothing here and they don't show up in here, which won't for me, minimize your that's the wrong tab. Minimize the wrong tab. Dang. BRB. Okay, I minimized the tab now, so go to episode, well, actually go to whatever you want, but just drag it in here. It's going to put it in here. It's going to still stay in here, in your folder, obviously, but it's going to be here now. Then you can go into all these individually, and just take them, just like this. Select them. Oh, don't do that. Select them. And put them in there. Okay, make sure they're all in there in the correct order. If they're not, you can move them with this. You can just hold and click it, and it will move them. I will be back to put all of them on them. Make sure you go, when you press burn, you go here to this little tab here and press data CD or DVD. Data CD is what you want, so click this one. And make sure to check this if it's unchecked. Eject this after burning, so it's just you can just take it out, put it wherever you need to. Also, when you go here, press more options, and make sure your burn speed is set to slow, because that's going to minimize the risk of error. And it's not even that slow. To burn like all these files here, it takes like under 10 minutes, so you're not going to be waiting for long. And then make sure your format is M3U, because I'm going to be playing it on a PlayStation, and it does support this format. It doesn't support this, so I'm just making sure. Something probably wouldn't happen if you selected this one, but it's the one I like to use. And make sure to press OK when you're done changing the settings, just like this one. Check your files. If they're long, you can hover over it and it will show you the whole title. If you have too many files, it will make a disk 2, and it will eject this one when it's done burning, and you have to put another one to continue burning. So make sure it fits on here. Before you start burning, make sure that you don't have anything running in the background. You're not playing any like songs here, or doing anything else on your computer. Just leave it alone, let it do its thing, because Windows recommends you don't do anything else when it's burning. And obviously, don't shake your computer or anything, because that might mess it up. But yeah, and make sure the disk doesn't have any scratches or anything, or dirt that can mess it up, or fingerprints. So I'm going to burn this in a second, and I'll get back to you guys later. So now that, one second. Okay, so now that you have burnt all these, it should say complete on all of them. And make sure you finalize the last one. Don't pop it out before that. Okay. So it all gone successfully. That's good. And now I'm gonna cut to me putting it in my thing and my player, and I'm going to show you what it should look like, what you should select. And it's gonna pop up in video and in music, but you go to the video obviously. It's gonna take it a little to read it, so it's gonna pop up as data disk. Pop up with data disk. You're gonna press it. It's gonna say video. It's gonna have all your videos in there. Just wait for it to load. But I'll just show it. Wait. And if you wanted to play in sequence, you have a lot of videos, you don't want to keep going out of it. Go to settings. Go to video settings. And then scroll all the way down to sequential playback. Sequential playback. Make sure it is on. If it's not on, turn it on, and then they will play in sequence.
Welcome back to Scarred. So we've seen some great